Hello and welcome to my video. Today I want to show you how to crochet this very simple snail. Wish you a lot of fun, subscribe to my channel and let's begin. The snail I will crochet with these 7 colors. This one for the head and this 6 color for the shell. This is cotton yarn, Catania from Schachenmeier, but if you want you can use any yarn. We need matching crochet hook, I use 2.5 mm, scissors, sewing needle, the eyes and toy stuffing. I start with the magic ring and crochet first round 9 single crochet in the ring, and 9. Now pull yarn and close the ring. Round 2 I start in this first stitch and crochet 2 single crochet in every stitches. At the end I have 18 stitches. And 2 single crochet in the last stitch. I mark this last stitch and crochet round 3. 1 single crochet in first 2 stitches, 2 single crochet in the next stitch. This repeat to the end of round. At the end I have 24 stitches. Round 4, 1 single crochet in the first 3 stitches, 2 single crochet in the next stitch. This repeat to the end of round. At the end I have 30 stitches. Round 5, here I will increase the stitches only 3 times. I crochet 1 single crochet in first 9 stitches, 8 and 9, 2 single crochet in the next stitch. This repeat to the end of round. At the end I have 33 stitches. Round 6, I will not increase the stitches on the same place, therefore I crochet 1 single crochet in the first 5 stitches, 4, 5, 2 single crochet in the next stitch, and continue 1 single crochet in the next 10 stitches, 2 single crochet in the next stitch, 10 stitches, 2 single crochet and 1 single crochet in the last 5 stitches. At the end I have 36 stitches. Now look like this, and next 4 rounds, round 7, 8, 9 and 10, I crochet 1 single crochet in every stitches. I crocheted 4 rounds. And from now on I will decrease the stitches, but I want to show you how you can invisible decrease the stitches. Round 11 I crochet 1 single crochet in the first 10 stitches and then 2 stitches together, and 10, next 2 stitches together, but in the next stitch only in the front loop, in the next stitch in the front loop. Now pull yarn through these 2 stitches and again grab yarn and pull yarn through these 2 stitches. And now looks like this. And continue 1 single crochet in next 10 stitches, 2 stitches together, 10, 2 stitches together. At the end I have 33 stitches. Round 12, 1 single crochet in the first 9 stitches, next 2 stitches together, this repeat to the end of round. At the end I have 30 stitches. Round 13, I will 6 times decrease the stitches. I crochet 1 single crochet in first 3 stitches, next 2 stitches together, this repeat to the end of round. At the end I have 24 stitches. Round 14, 1 single crochet in the first 2 stitches, next 2 stitches together, this repeat to the end of round. At the end I have 18 stitches. And round 15, I will only 3 times decrease the stitches, 1 single crochet in the first 4 stitches, 2 stitches together, repeat to the end of round. At the end I have 15 stitches. Now I will stuff the head. Now looks like this, and I crochet this part with the same color. I mark the last round, not the last stitch, only last round, and crochet 1 single crochet in every stitches 25 rounds. You must not count the stitches, only the rounds. I crocheted 25 rounds. It was this part, and now I will crochet this part, the shell, and here I crochet 60 rounds. For this snail I use these 6 colors, and with every color I crochet 10 rounds. Here is the first, is this one from here, and here is the last color. But if you change the colors, I will change the colors always on this side. Here come the first, then 10 rounds, the second, and so forth. Now I show you how you can change these colors. In the next stitch, grab yarn. Now I put the next color and pull yarn. And now I crochet 10 rounds with this color, and these 2 yarns I will knot and cut, and these 2 yarns come in the body, and I continue 10 rounds with these colors. I crocheted 10 rounds, and now I will change the color again on this side. Here is the first time, here is next time, in the next stitch put the next color through both loops, and 1 single crochet in every stitches next 10 rounds. Knot these yarns and continue, and I crochet from here 60 rounds. If you want, you can crochet this part only with 1 color. I crocheted 59 rounds, and in the last round I will decrease the stitches, 1 single crochet in first 3 stitches, next 2 stitches together. At the end I have 12 stitches. Finish work with the slip stitch, cut yarn and sew yarn on this side. And the body is finished. Now I will roll this shell. Here is this side, and now this side stay in the middle, and I roll the shell a little bit. Now in sewing needle I have this first color, and I sew it in a few stitches together, here and on this side, and again I roll a little bit, and again one stitch from here, one stitch from here, again roll a little bit, one stitch from here, roll a little bit, here and here, and last time here on the head, and on the shell, and sew this yarn in the shell or in the head. Now I will place the eyes between round 7 and 8, distance 5 stitches. You can glue the eyes. Now I sew the mount, and in these 3 places, here is the first, second, and here below is third. I come here from the back in this place. Now in this place, from here to the here, now from here in the same place. Pull yarn, pull this first yarn, and the mount is ready. Now I will make these fillers with the same color like a hat. I start with the magic ring and crochet first round 6 single crochet in the ring, five and 6, pull yarn and close the ring. Second round, start in this first stitch, and here I will increase the stitches, 1 single crochet in the first stitch, 2 single crochet in the next stitch. This repeat to the end of round. At the end I have 9 stitches. You can cut this starting yarn and continue round 3 and 4, 1 single crochet in every stitches. Round 5, 1 single crochet in the first stitch, next 2 stitches together. At the end I have 6 stitches again, and round 6, 7 and 8, 1 single crochet in every stitches. Finish work with the slip stitch in the next stitch. Leave yarn 15 cm long. spool yarn, and if you want you can stuff the filler with wooden stick. We need 2 pieces. I place the fillers on the head like here, and with these yarns I sew the fillers on the head. And the snail is ready. If you like my video, subscribe to my channel and see you next time.